Hi everyone, Chanel from Tips and Tricks HQ here, and today in this video I'll be addressing the following question. Can Bitcoin be purchased online using PayPal? While purchasing Bitcoin, an online currency, using PayPal is possible, it is not a walk in the park. Due to numerous chargebacks from Bitcoin purchases, PayPal have made it so you cannot purchase it directly from your account. The workaround is buying Bitcoin through a cryptocurrency selling website. The only problem with this method is trust and high associated fees. Amongst PayPal users who buy and sell Bitcoin, Verwox is said to be the most reliable, although for what cost? The way this site works is you actually buy Circumvents, which is basically Verwox's own virtual currency, which you then use to purchase the Bitcoins. This is not against PayPal's Bitcoin regulations, as you're not purchasing the coins directly. While Verwox is one of the best and most reputable cryptocurrency sites, the downfall is the high transaction fees and the processing time from when you pay to when you receive your cryptocurrency, which is generally before the 48-hour mark. If you're still interested in using Verwox to buy some Bitcoins with PayPal balance, it's quite an easy process. You'll need to go to their site, register for an account, fill out your personal details, confirm your account via email, and then you'll be able to fund your account with PayPal to buy some SLL, which is their own currency. Once you've purchased your SLL, you can then use this balance to purchase Bitcoins. Because you're actually conducting two different transactions, your currency, for example USD to SLL, and then SLL to Bitcoin, you'll pay two different transaction fees. So make sure you are happy with each fee before you submit a transaction. While there are a couple of other Bitcoin selling sites you may want to check out, such as eToro, Local Bitcoins, Wirex, Paxful, and Coinbase, similar processes and fees apply. Hopefully this short explanation of purchasing Bitcoins with PayPal has cleared up the circumstances for you. All the best with your cryptocurrency purchases.